Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a screencast about Google Drive. So, here are where all of your folders are, and here are where your files are. As you can see here, I have some Google Docs, I also have some PowerPoints, and I also have some images. First I'm going to show you how to put things away in folders. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on what you want to be put away in a folder, and you're going to drag it to where you want. So I want to put my senior pictures back where they belong. So I click, I hold, and I drag it to where it goes. And bam, there it is. Also, I have a folder for EDCI 270. And oh look, down here I have a document for that. But wait, I need to rename the document. So I go here, and I click rename. I'm going to rename it to EDCI 270, and since it's with my theme, I'm just going to put theme. Alright, so I don't have a folder for my theme, so I'm going to have to make a new one. So I'm going to come over here, click new folder, and it's going to allow me to name it. So EDCI 270 theme. Create, and there it is right there. So I take that, what I just had, there it is, and I drag it there. That's all I have to do for that. And here's another one I have, and it goes there. And then yeah, so there's that. And then also if I want to share something with someone, so let's say I want to share this senior picture with my mom, because she always likes seeing my senior pictures. I go here, I click share, and people, so her email address. There it is. Click on that, and you can add as many people as you want. You can add a note. Here's a senior picture. Love you, Mom. And then I can send it. I can also get a shareable link and then also send that to somebody. Then I send it. Alrighty. And then that also shows you your storage. And then if I want to see what's in the folder, I click on it and there it is. I can go back to my drive. If you want to search for anything in your drive, you just click that and you search. Thank you.